If you're trying to change the chat color on your Messenger app, then you've come to the right video, because I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow to successfully change in the chat color that is available on Messenger. This is going to be a short and easy video, so make sure you follow along, and let's get right into it. Open up your Messenger app and then just open up any chat where you want to change the color of. As you can see, the background is already changed on mine. So if you want to also change it for yours, you just need to tap on the eye icon on the top right. And from this section under customization, you'll see an option of theme. You can just tap on the theme option, and you can see these are the bunch of themes that you can choose from. Either you can choose the themes, or you can also select the colors and gradients. To set it for yours, you can just tap on any one of them and it's going to give you a preview. If you like what you see, you can just tap on select. If you don't, you can tap on cancel and pick any other color. So you can do the same for themes as well. Tap on any theme and it's going to give you a preview of it. If you like it, you can just tap on select, and your entire chat color or your theme will be changed on your Messenger app. So that's how easily you can change chat color on Messenger app. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.